Welcome to today's walkthrough, where we'll explore Telegram's latest update and how it simplifies finding videos on your PC. Whether you're searching for a tutorial, a memorable clip, or that hilarious meme from last week, these new features will save you time. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, head to the official website to download the desktop version. Once you're in, your chats and channels will appear on the left side of the screen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's clean and intuitive, designed to help you navigate effortlessly. Now, locate the search bar at the top of the interface. This is your gateway to filtering content. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options: chats, media, links, files, music, and voice. Here's where the magic happens. Select videos from the list to narrow your search exclusively to video files. This filter ensures you're not sifting through text messages or documents, just pure video content. Next, type your search query into the bar. For example, if you're looking for a cooking demo, enter keywords like pasta recipe or baking tips. Telegram's algorithm will instantly scan all shared videos across your chats, groups, and channels, displaying results that match your terms. You'll see thumbnails of the videos alongside snippets of the conversations they were shared in, giving you context. Scroll through the results to find what you need. Each video can be previewed directly in the app. Just hover over it and click to play. If you want to save it for later, right-click and select Save as to download it to your preferred folder. Telegram organizes these files neatly, so you won't lose track of them. Pro tip: combine keywords with hashtags if the sender used them. For instance, searching #travel plus beach will pull up videos tagged with both terms. This works wonders in busy groups where dozens of clips are shared daily. And that's it. With these streamlined filters, Telegram turns what used to be a tedious hunt into a seamless experience. Whether you're managing a project, reminiscing with friends, or curating content, this update puts precision at your fingertips. Give it a try today and rediscover how efficient finding videos can be. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.